We need to do the unit circle. That is problem number 10. This should be on your cheat sheet. But in case it's not, the unit circle is easy. We have a circle. Okay? And then we have it cut in half and in half again. This is 0, 90, 180, and 270, and 360. Okay? And then what we do is we break this up into thirds. Okay? Thirds, meaning 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300, 330, 360. That was easy. Yeah? Okay. All right, do another one with green. We're cutting these in fourths. Right? 45, 90. Right? 45, 90. 35. 180. 225. 270. 45 is 315. And then 360. Okay, that's our base. That's half the points. Now I just got to put in all the hard part, right? The radians. So hard. So hard. Not so hard. Not so hard. It is hard when you look at the actual done one that's in your book. Don't make it hard. Keep it simple. We broke these up in pieces, right? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces there before we get to a whole, because 180 and pi are the same thing, right? So this 0 is still 0, right? But we're going to go to 30. This is 1/6 pi. This is 2 pi over 6. This is 3 pi over 6. This is 4 pi over 6. This is 5 pi over 6. This is 6 pi over 6. This is 7 pi over 6. 8 pi over 6. 9 pi over 6. 10 pi over 6. 11 pi over 6. 12 pi over 6, which is 2 pi. And then we do our last bit. These are in 4 pieces. Right? So 1 pi over 4. Right? 4 pieces. 2 pi over 4. Right? 3 pi over 4. 4 pi over 4. 5 pi over 4. 6 pi over 4. 7 pi over 4. And 8 pi over 4, which is again 2 pi. That's it. And that's your unit circle. And if you want to clean it up and lower your, reduce your fractions, you're good.